So in my last class, I showed us how to get a critical point of this inequality question. All right. So back to this place. So once you've gotten your answer, like we did the last time, we said x is minus 2 or positive 4. So we have to get our intervals where this will hold. I have minus 2, 4. So that means I have minus infinity and minus 2. That's my first interval. Okay. Then I have minus 2 and 4, my second interval. And then I have positive 4 to plus infinity. That's my third interval. Now, how did I get this interval? Simple. X is going to give me minus 2 here. Minus 2 cannot be greater than 0. So meaning minus 2 is less than 0. So all values that are less than 0 for minus 2. Okay, so that is what this interval means. Minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6. Continuation like that to the negative side. Then I got minus 2, 4. So your second interval will now be between the two values of x you got, which is minus 2, 4. So this means minus infinity less than x less than minus 2. That's the meaning of this first interval. This second one means minus 2 less than x less than 4. Second interval, and this one means 4 less than x less than positive infinity, because the final answer I got, second answer was 4, and 4 is greater than 0. So meaning all values greater than, all positive values greater than 0. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and so forth. So how do I get my answer? So what we need to do, we need to test for values to see whether the product of these will be greater than 0. Now, how do we test for values? From this point, if I pick, let's say I pick minus 3, for instance, because minus 3 is less than minus 2. If I put minus 3 for this interval, let's test for this interval. So put x to be minus 3. Let's see which of the three intervals will work. If I put x, since x less than minus 2, right? So I put minus 3. If I put minus 3 into this point, I'm going to have minus 3 plus 2, then minus 3 minus 4. What would that give me? This will give me negative 1, and this will give me negative 7. And negative 1, negative 7, that is positive 7, that will be greater than 0. Hold on to that. Now, it's valid. Okay? Now, let's come over to the next one. What is the next one? Minus 2 less than x.